What are we gonna do?
Told you. We're gonna hang out, and watch a movie.
Hey people, it's Kiara from My Digital Affiliate. And today we're going to be promoting the $25 all-in-one digital business using My Lead Gen Secrets. Now, we only going to be using one account. Most people that know about My Lead Gen Secrets usually use multiple accounts. We only use one account just to, get the ball rolling and show you guys that this works, so on and so forth, without really you're not really putting too much into it. And, you might get better results to me, you might get worse results to me. But I'm showing you what I'm doing a minimal effort, easy to do type thing. All right, guys, that's all I'm doing. I'm showing you that minimal effort, not even putting that much work into it. All right, guys. And so if you're interested in following along, guys, links in the description below. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Let's get started. All right, so first off, I want to say this real quick. I'm still on my sick phase. I'm still pretty sick, so I might be coughing throughout this or so on and so forth. I probably won't edit it out. And anyway, guys. There you go. There it go already. Oh. Anyway, guys, let's get started. First off, I like to speak on why I like promoting the $25 business, because essentially it's a really good product. It's a product that works. It's a funnel builder all together. The product itself is really good. It's a funnel builder. No limitations on it for $25 per month. That right there alone is worth. You get a bunch of other stuff too. You get emails, all that type stuff. You get a ton of stuff to set up a business and get it rolling. And just get it started. For $25, guys. It's a really good product. And to compare, right? Let's just say other funnel builders. The most popular one excuse me. The most popular one is ClickFunnels, right? Let's see what ClickFunnels prices looking like. Yeah, prices and plans of ClickFunnels real quick. So you go to this here. Now they say 127. Even that is crazy, right? It only say that because it's on annual discount. That means you pay about $3,000, you'll get it 127 a month. But monthly, guys, that joker is $150. That's $147. See right there. It's $150 per month, guys. $150 per month. Look at this. Look at this. You don't even get unlimited everything. You still only can get 20 funnels, one website, one domain. That's insane. That's insane, guys. And you get unlimited all this in the $25 business. And right here, you gotta pay $300 to get unlimited funnels, guys. Unlimited funnels. And you still only can get 9 domains. 9 domains. You still only can use 9 domains. That should be unlimited too. I'm paying $300. And those are the things you kind of want to focus on when it comes to making these businesses and stuff. Because you kind of need, funnels. Now you could probably work around the domain situation. Maybe you can make like a general term or so on and so forth. I personally like personal domains. But yeah, maybe you could do that and get away with it. But $300 per month, guys, that's a year in this system. Get the same thing. I'm just saying, it's a really good product. And the second reason why I like promoting this product is because of its affiliate system, which is 80% recurring commission. All right, guys, I'm gonna show you that it's 80% recurring commissions real quick, like show you real fast. All right. Went down too fast here. Where it's at? Right there. It would say pays you 80% commission for every sale, guaranteed for life. 80%, guys. Done and ready to go to business with 80% commissions. That is the highest amount of commissions I have ever seen anywhere, guys. 80% recurring commissions is unheard of. Sorry about that. 80% commissions is unheard of. And this is just the perfect thing, guys. This is the way to make this money. This is the easiest ever gonna be, guys. This system here. You can't do it with this, you probably can't do it. God, I'm doing the bare minimum and I'm making money with it. I'm making a lot of money with it, guys. making a lot of money. So I just wanted to show you guys that. All right, so sorry about the coughing, guys. I'm so sorry. Let's go back here. All right. So what we're gonna do is look at our results here. We're gonna refresh the page right here. All right, we're gonna look at this here. We got 3 set. Hold up. I'm thinking at least some of these are resales. I think we did get it. I think we got a sale though, cause I don't remember 60. So yeah, I think we did get a sale, guys.
Nice.
Yeah, man, that's dope. So yeah, I got 3. Made $60 yesterday. So yeah, this thing works, guys. This works. Clearly it works. It's working for me very easily, and this is all I'm doing. I'm not doing much, guys, to promote this. I really ain't. I'm coming to My Lead Gen Secrets. I'm selecting all the leads here. I come down here and pick an email that I already done sent, because at this point it's just so many emails. I could just pick anyone. Load it up. Boom, boom. Here's the link here. Here's the email. Very short email. They work the best. And this is the link we're gonna use. We're gonna use the all-in-one $25 bidding because it promotes. It gives you the 20% commissions and it gives you the $100 commission, guys. So that's the reason why we promote that one. So yeah, that's all there is to that, guys. I'm gonna send an email. We're done. We're done. That's all it takes. Easy, real quick. Get it done real fast. It won't take you that long if you just do this part, guys. That's all you really need to do. I'm just showing you everything. And it only takes you like half a minute to do it. Alright? So anyway, guys, you're interested in following along, like I stated before, the links are in the description below. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.